Glorifying Lord Jagannath. First of all, I would like to clarify certain things that people must hear the glories of Lord Jagannath from a spiritual master or from a God realized soul or from a great devotee of Lord. In fact, I am not the right authoritative person to glorify the pastimes of Lord. However, being an inquisitive person, I would like to present some facts about Lord Jagannath, who is the Lord of the universe and who has been performing his divine pastimes at Sri Kshetra, which is also called Puri Jagannath Dham. You can have this darshan of Lord Jagannath at the entrance of the main temple. This is the darshan of recently held Snana Yatra on Snana Purnima at Sri Jagannath Temple, Puri. Here are the topics to be discussed. First of all, this is introduction to Golok Chart and spiritual worlds. Then we'll discuss about Rath Yatra, then about chariot construction, then about temple, then various vessels of Lord Jagannath, then temple festivals, then the story of Sri Nilamata. This is part 1. Jai Jagannath. Introduction to Golok Chart and spiritual worlds. There are some facts which you need to understand clearly. God's name, form, dham, and his divine abodes, devotee, and Srimad Bhagavatam are non-different from God himself. To know and to understand the divine pastimes, Leelas of Lord Jagannath, we need to have the unconditional and loving devotional service at the lotus feet of Lord Jagannath. In the state of Odisha, which was earlier called as Utkala, that divine land of Sri Jagannath is known as Sri Kshetra. In that Sri Kshetra, God's Leela, pastime and divine form are all astonishing. The other name of Sri Kshetra is Puri, which means the eternal home of Lord Sri Krishna. In this eternal Puri, the new and ever youthful and the ocean of divine bliss, Lord Sri Krishna, along with his elder brother Lord Balaram and his sister Devi Subhadra, are enjoying their eternal pastimes in the form of Daru a deity in the form of wood. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, is Lord Jagannath himself. Lord Jagannath is the God of love. To know him, divine love is essential. This knowledge is very confidential. Lord Sri Krishna has manifested himself as Lord Jagannath with his topmost divine love position. That position is called Mahabhav. In this lusty world, rarely one may find true love. Lord affectionately gets bind with the pure love of a devotee. So, due to the intense love of devotees, Lord Sri Krishna has manifested himself as Lord Jagannath. Lord Sri Krishna also descended himself as Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and throughout his life he had preached the significance and divine pastimes of Lord Sri Jagannath. Lord Sri Krishna is Sri Jagannath himself, and Lord Sri Jagannath is Lord Sri Krishna himself. As per the scriptures, Lord Vishnu was getting worshipped as Sri Nila Madhava since very long time in that area. As you can see from this Golok chart, this is material worlds. This is Brahmajati, Brahma. Then this is Vaikuntha Lok. This is Golok Vrindavan. And if you just see it closely, then you find Ayodhya Dham, then Dwaraka Dham, then Sri Jagannath Dham, then Mathura Dham, then Golok Vrindavan. This is various spiritual worlds. This is Golok Vrindavan, which is also called Madhurya Dham. The Vaikuntha Lok is also called Vaishurya Dham. Here you can see Golok Vrindavan details. Radha Krishna, Lakshmi Narayana. is Jagannath Dham in the spiritual words. You can see here it's called as Shankhakshetra. It's formed as a concept. You can see at the center part where Jagannath is situated, and this is a temple for. Now we'll discuss about the Rath Yatra. Rath Yatra festival occurs in the month of Ashada, which falls in June and July, and Shukla Ditya Tithi, which is the second day of bright fortnight. In this day, Lord Jagannath come out of the temple, sit in the chariot along with his elder brother Lord Balram and sister Devi Subhadra. This is a very big festival. Lord Vishnu's travel towards southern direction is very rare. It is highly auspicious and provides liberation. Lord Jagannath is Sri Shyamsundar, Sri Radha Vallabh, Sri Gopinath, Gopijana Vallabh, and he is also Sri Krishna himself. Being well disciplined and having a clean heart and with pure devotional mind, one can visualize Lord Jagannath. This is the golden attire of 2019. It's called Sunavesa. Now I'll talk about chariots. Lord Jagannath's chariot is also called Nandighosa. It has 16 wheels. That chariot is made up of 832 pieces of wood. Then comes to Devi Subhadra. Her chariot name is called Darpadalana. It has 12 wheels, which consists of 593 pieces of wood. Then we talk about Lord Baladeva. The chariot name is called Taladhwaja, which is consists of 14 wheels. Then 463 pieces of wood have been used. Construction of this Taladhwaja. Now I'll talk about the temple. This temple is situated at the eastern part of Odisha. It is close to the river Penna. This place is also called Sri Jagannath Dham. There are so many names of Jagannath Dham, like Sri Kshetra, Vilachana Kshetra, Sankha Kshetra, Purushottam Kshetra, Shishta Kshetra, etc. The temple has 4 gates, and the eastern side gate is called Lion's Gate. The western side gate is called Tiger's Gate. Northern side gate is called Elephant Gate, and southern side gate is called Horse Gate. The area of the temple is the length is around 665 feet, and the width is around 640 feet. There is a boundary wall of 20 feet, which is called Nedam Prachi. The temple is divided into 4 portions. First one is the main temple, second one is the Jagamaha, third one is the Natamandap, fourth one is the Bhogavandap. The height of the temple is around 214 feet, 8 inches. Let's sector that etc. Situated at the top of the temple, and from there the flag is waving. It is called Patita Vavan Bana. Patita Vavan means which gives liberation to the fallen souls. The Lord is getting worship on the Ratna Singhasana. Lord Jagannath, Devi Subhadra, Lord Baladeva, and Sudarsana are placed on Ratna Singhasana. Along with Lord Jagannath, Mahadevi Lakshmi, Devi Saraswati, and Lord Madhav also getting worship in the Ratna Singhasana. Then there is Varunastambha. As you can see from this here, this is the Varunastambha pillar. It is situated in front of Lion's Gate, towards the east side of the temple. The height of the Varunastambha is around 33 feet 8 inches. It is a symbol of light, provides energy. And there is a fact that if you draw a horizontal line from the top of this Varunastambha, that particular line, draw it and it will touch the Ratna Singhasana and touch at the feet of Sri Jagannath. about the universe. We'll talk more about this later. Sankara. This is Yachakra, Pattanavana, this is Mahaprasadam. And source for tool. You can see the temple in the east side, the west side, northern side, southern side. This is called lion's gate, this is called tiger's gate, and the northern side gate is called elephant's gate, and this is horse gate. This is the main temple. This is the total temple area. This is the kitchen area, and this is the prasadam area. And there are some gardens. This is the grand road. This is the main road where Prasadam took place. It is called Grand Trunk Road. And we will discuss more about Jagannath and we will clarify. That's all. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.